Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an exciting tutorial how gradient outline around text. Type your title in bold font and open blending option and reduce fill to 0%. Now select stroke and choose gradient, and also click edit gradient to add multiple colors. Try a blend of purple, pink and blue for futuristic vibe, and also set the stroke outside and size around 6px, and add outer glow using the same colors. It gives a soft neon fade. Change the background to dark for better contrast. You can use this for banners, intros, or titles, and also adjust opacity to control to instantly experiment with linear and radial gradients. Now your gradient outline looks vibrant and cinematic.